complaint filed against a Chicago police officer between 1967 and 2011. The police department refused to do so, triggering this court fight that, as you said, has lasted the better part of a decade.
So why did the city resist his request for more than 48 years worth of police complaint records?
Well, in another case, a judge had ruled that the city was not allowed to release those records, and the city said, look, there's an injunction, there's nothing we can do, even though a year after Green made his request, the Illinois Supreme Court, in a separate ruling than the one we're talking about today, said these records are public and members of the public are entitled to get them. That didn't make any difference to the city, and the Supreme Court upheld that decision today.
So the city council nearly settled this case a year and a half ago before it touched off a political firestorm. Where does that fight stand now?
In limbo. The city's lawyers had recommended the city pay Charles Green $500,000 to resolve this lawsuit, but the city council basically rejected it, saying that it smacked of, quote, hush money, and that because it included no agreement to release these records, it was inappropriate. It remains in limbo today.
And in short, Heather, the Illinois Supreme Court ruling ends Green's lawsuit. Is this fight over?
It does not. Hours after the ruling, he and his lawyer sent the city a new Freedom of Information Act request, so we're right back in the beginning where we were in 2015.
Okay, I'm sure there will be more to come from that one. Heather Sharon, thanks so much.
Thanks, Brandis.